One of the best ways to make money online is with money making apps. Today I will be going over the best 5 apps to earn money in 2021, and let's just get into the list. The first app that allows you to make money online is called PollPay. This app is by far the highest paying app for surveys and questionnaires. The surveys can be anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes long, and they do not ask personal questions, and they do pay very well. You can normally expect to earn around $1.50 per 15-minute survey, so say you were to use PollPay for a whole day, so around 8 hours, you can expect to earn $50 in that time. Withdraw and cash out options include PayPal, gift cards, Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and many more. PollPay is free to install and use, and they take no percentage of your earnings, so you keep all of the earnings from this app. But do remember, you will never have a constant stream of surveys, so do not expect to make $50 in a day, but you can make $50 over time if you have that amount of surveys. With this app you can make around $6 an hour if you have the constant stream of surveys, which you can do if they are compatible with your profile. This app can be great if you do not find surveys boring and you have the time to sit down and do them. The next app we have on this list is called OnePulse. OnePulse is a very unique app for surveys, and rather than having long boring surveys, they have short questionnaires with around 1 to 2 questions per questionnaire. Obviously the downside to this is the app only pays about 20 cents per questionnaire. However, this money making app is different. By completing the questionnaires you also earn XP. This will level up your account, and for each new level you reach you will make more money per survey. The highest you can make is about 40 cents per survey, so each survey takes around 20 seconds to complete, so you can get for about 3 a minute. So if you were to use this app for 8 hours straight, you could earn $576 a day. However, that is impossible. The limiting factor is that you get around 3 to 5 surveys a day to answer, but you can still make about $2 for only 2 minutes worth of surveys a day. You can cash out and redeem the money you make, mostly for PayPal, and in reality you can make about $3 to $4 an hour with this app, granted you get that amount of surveys. So it can be great if you do not want to sit down and do long boring surveys, but it does not pay as much as PollPay would. One of my personal favourite money making apps is Mistplay. Mistplay is different because it pays you to download and play mobile games. The way it works is that you download one of the games and earn a reward for doing that, and then the more and more you play that game, you reach new levels, and every time you reach a new level you get credits. As each level gets higher, the reward for reaching the next one becomes more and more, but it only takes more XP and more time to get to the next level, so it can be challenging once you get past the first few levels, but you will make more for reaching the next level, though you will definitely get reward for that time you're putting in. If you were to use Mistplay for around 8 hours, you would earn around 4,000 credits. Then you can redeem them credits for Amazon gift cards, Visa and MasterCard gift cards, Google Play credit, and more. Around 4,000 credits will normally get you $15, so you can make $3 to $5 an hour just for playing mobile games. And there are some really good up-to-date mobile games on there that you've probably seen advertised elsewhere, and they're really fun, so it's really not like a chore or you're making money, it's more just about fun. So it's definitely a good thing to do that if you like playing mobile games. The next money making app we have on this list is Google Opinion Rewards. This app is a favourite by many as it allows you to earn Google Play credit directly by doing surveys and very short questionnaires. On this app, the surveys are usually around 2 to 3 questions long, but can pay around 20 cents per survey directly into your Google Play account. That is the best part of this, so you do not have to reach a minimum payout threshold. These surveys are usually about your occupation or your education, and they are fairly general, and granted you abide by the terms of survey, so you can usually get 1 to 2 surveys a week, but you should remember they do expire if you don't answer them in 24 hours. So with Google Opinion Rewards you can usually make about 50 cents in this app, just a few minutes work each week, and this goes straight into your Google Play balance as well, so no issues with cash out or anything like that. You can just get it straight in your balance and you don't have to wait for a minimum payout, which is very good, and that's what makes this app so unique. The final and best money making app in 2021 is Swagbucks. This is a very popular money making app because of how much it actually pays per survey and other tasks. There are actually a lot of ways to make money in Swagbucks, including surveys, cashback from various online stores, downloading and using apps, completing forms, and so much more. It is extremely easy to earn money on this app because each task can pay around 200 Swagbucks, and you can redeem Swagbucks for Amazon gift cards, PayPal gift cards, Google Play gift cards, iTunes credit, and so much more. To earn $5 you need around 500 Swagbucks, which can take just 1 or 2 surveys to get, granted they're about half an hour each. So you can make anywhere from $5 to $15 per hour with Swagbucks, and this makes it the best money making app and the highest paying money making app in 2021. You can sign up with a link in the description for a bonus, and you can also sign up and install the Swagbucks Chrome extension to earn even more money. Link in the description for that as well. But those were the best money making apps for 2021 that require little effort to use but can make you up to $15 an hour for free. So I'll see everybody next time. Bye.